Hello everyone, welcome to Financial Success. Today I would like to talk about a company called Bakkt. They recently have merged with Victory Park Capital as a SPAC. The ticker symbol is VIH. If you enjoy the content of the video, please like and subscribe. Also, I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research. Let's get into it. Bakkt is currently owned by ICE, which is Intercontinental Exchange. They also own the NASDAQ exchange. They own a large portion of the company, around 81%, but they also have other investments from Boston Consulting Group, Microsoft's M12, Starbucks, and PayU. There's a lot of notable stakeholders that own the company and have good support. With Starbucks, they actually have payment integration into the Starbucks app. You can pay for coffee and food through Starbucks with Bakkt currently. Moving on, so this gives a little bit of an overview of exactly what Bakkt does. They're taking a digital asset that has a store of value that can be used as a medium of exchange and offer purchasing power for goods and services. So you can see examples here of digital assets, gift cards, in-game assets that can be converted to pay for different items. You can use your points to pay for things, you can use cash, you can use cryptocurrencies, and COVID's definitely accelerated the demand for all digitalized assets. Also, a little bit more about Bakkt, what the company is. It was founded in 2018 and developed, and they released a consumer app beta launch in the fall of 2020. They have about 400,000 people pre-registered for the app since releasing it in 2020. The app is set to go live in about March of 2021. Also, here we can see a little bit more of how they plan to use the wallet and then convert it and so people can spend it. So they're going to take a bunch of different digital assets all in one location so they're easy to find and easy to use, and they can be converted through Bakkt and then spent anywhere. I think it's pretty convenient. Also, they have a lot of different competitors in the group: Cash App, Venmo, Honey, Robinhood, Coinbase, cryptocurrency platforms. So they have a lot of competitors in the area. And I think this chart does a good job showing why they're more beneficial than the others. So they take the items that each one offers and they combine it all into one app. So you can see here they offer all these different rewards and payment options that can be digitalized. Also, here we can see they have their partnerships with Starbucks for their payment one that I mentioned as well, and then they're working on different partnerships with different banks and companies, and then they're also looking into US airlines and hotels to get those points onto the Bakkt app so they can be digitized. They also have different ways of making money. They plan on making money through payments, trading, conversion, and person-to-person transfers. So here it shows a little bit of a breakdown of that. Most of their money, it seems like it's going to be made in transaction fees. So this is where I'm a little bit hesitant of the company, just because their growth is not fully there yet. They're saying in 2025 they will have 30 million users, and right now they don't have, I think they're around 400,000 that are pre-registered for the app that is going to launch in March. And so here you can see the projected growth. They're saying they have zero subscribers or users in 2020. But in 2021, I think when they launch the app in March, they should have around 400,000 already. And so if we look at their projection summary here, it kind of breaks down how they plan on making their revenue and what it looks like for the years 2021 through 2025. They have a total revenue growth of 889 million. But the majority of that looks like it's going to be coming from crypto, and they have 849 million of the 889 million coming from transaction fees, which I could see possible just due to the recent surge in crypto. A lot more people are starting to talk about it. Elon Musk has mentioned it. It's definitely becoming more widespread. They have strong economic units as well. Here's where they show the average total revenue per monthly active user. And so in 2020, they're saying they make about $10 per user. Well, if you multiply that by the 400,000 they have pre-registered, that's about $4 million in revenue. In 2021, they have $97 per user. And so that's, I think, how they get to their total revenue of $889 million for 2021. I definitely think this is a good investment, especially because it's backed by the Intercontinental Exchange. I don't think they're going to let it fail just because they also own the NASDAQ. So I don't think there's much downside for that. I personally do have a position as well in this, and I think it's going to be positive for the future. It may take a few months. This might be a more long-term play rather than quick gains. However, it was just announced this morning that they had the merger, so we may see some upside. If you like the content, please like and subscribe on the video. It really helps out the channel. I appreciate it. See you in the next video.